but as you can see there's a nexus behind me. Sleeper pond like my own, got 2 Bakki showers. I'm getting attacked by doggies, and Darren's had some of these fish for many years. Good morning beautiful pond lovers. You can see, yes, I'm in the van again. It's a Peterborough Koi Club day. We are off to Kings Lynn today to see another beautiful pond of one of the Peterborough Koi Club members. So on that note, I will snap back to you all when I get there. So yeah, we've had an absolutely fantastic day again at the Peterborough Koi Club meet. But as you can see, there's a nexus behind me. So without further ado, I'll spin you around and show you where we've been today. So yeah, he's running on the old Nexus system. I'm not too sure which one it is, but it's one of the bigger ones, 320, 310, one of them ones. And yeah, sleeper pond like my own, 1 sleeper lower than mine though, but to be honest, looking at the size of that, I wish I'd gone 1 sleeper lower. Got 2 Bakki showers, retrofit bottom drain. I don't know how well you're going to see that in there. Oh yeah, you can see that, retrofit bottom drain up through the nexus. And then it's got a splitter somewhere along, because half of it comes up through the Tempest and then into that shower, and the other goes straight through there. But he is going to be putting a skimmer on it soon, dropping the pond a little bit, whacking a skimmer over there, and then a separate pump to go up through the Tempest and into that shower. But we've got a window on the front of the pond, and the fish, bless their hearts, I'm getting attacked by doggies. Doggies. The fish have been performing for us all day at the window, all day. And Darren's had some of these fish for many years. You can see a blind fish there, bless him. Look, what do you call a fish with no eyes? That one there, bless him. But yeah, been here. Some of these are very old. Absolutely lovely pond. I'm getting attacked again. I am loving the black sleepers. Might have to do that myself. But hello doggy, hello doggy. But yeah, so cracking pond, got a lovely sunshade over it as well. Absolutely cracking. So yeah, everyone's just gone home. Surprisingly, we've had an absolute massive turnout today, because of where we are. We're not too far away from the seasides, so a lot of the peoples have come up here for the morning, and they've all now buggered off to the beach. Some to Cromer, some to Stanton. Me, I've got to get home and sort my own dogs and fish and everything else out. So on that note, I'll catch you all back at mine. So yeah, I just want to say a massive thank you again to Darren for having the Koi Club up there. Sunglasses hair now. Oh well. But yeah, fantastic day. We had a massive turnout considering we were right over in Kings Lynn. So thank you to all the Koi Club members that showed up and showed their support for Darren's pond. It was a cracking day. Gotta love a Koi Club. Just koi nerding all day long. But yeah, it's been a long old day, so I've got to get these guys fed, got to get them fed, got to get me fed. Yeah. As you can see, they're all dying for food, so let's give them some. Probably going to get splashed because they're going to be very hungry today. Absolutely love it. Yeah. Everything as always is going good in the main pond. The fry pond is doing well. The blue vat is doing fantastic as well. In regards to the new pond build, this one that has caused me nothing but problems. Obviously it's all drained. I need to give it a quick clean. But I reached out to a good friend of mine, Carl, from CWD Ponds. That's the chap that sells sleeper ponds and is also the manufacturer of the MS300. best pond silicone on the market, link is in the description. But yeah, I reached out to Carl and asked if he could help. I can't reflow coat it because, as we all saw in a previous video, I'd coated it in MS300 on the spots that I had to sand right back. So I've reached out to Carl and asked about his liquid liner, and Carl has been kind enough to send me a box of liquid liner. So that's what I'm going to do on this. I'm going to give it a go with the old liquid liner. Now, I've seen it done on YouTube videos 4 times, 3 of which were very successful, 1 of which I think the only reason that didn't work is because of the type of wood and the situation he was trying to scrape it on. But if yeah, other than that, if it goes on a solid surface, I'm pretty sure it'll be great. So I've got a box of that on its way to me. I'll get this cleaned up so I can get that in, and then yeah, I'll show you guys how I'm going to do it on the next video. Not 100% sure how yet, but I'll get it out, squidge a bit out, see how it works. I've got plenty of different tools that I can try, and then I will let you guys know what the best way is that I find. So on that note, guys, so from me and the Hungry Fish, if you want to see other videos of the Peterborough Koi Club, go and check out that playlist there. And on that note, guys, we'll catch you all on the next one.